Hey YouTube, Shooter right here with the review. Today I'm bringing you my new DX again. Hooray! So now we got the DX Den-O driver belt. Yeah. So here it's in front of it. So the box. Let's see it. So in here we got the Den-O short form gripping a rider pass right here. DX Den-O driver Bandai logo. Actually this will be a pretty damaged box cause I just got this second hand by my best friend. Hey, thanks to you, bro. So in here you can see the belt letter if it's still in the package. In the up you can see how the form line and the face of its form looks like. In the other side we just need to see like that. The same with the other one. And in the back we got a pretty nice looking playable, how it's insert the card, something like that, and a bit like that. So let's take a look at the driver itself again with the card. So here it's the Den-O driver. It's pretty cool, awesome. Then I figure out got rider pass. Sorry, you got the rider pass right here and one card. So let's take a look at that individually. So let's take a look at the first is the belt. The belt itself, it's kind of cool with the nice metallic color right here, silver, and nice logo that right there. Arrow blue, nice. Button looks pretty well good. Right button that can push that. Really don't know how it works. This part is pretty nice, awesome. Yeah, just pretty much like that. And in the up we can see the really nice Den-O system with this will be have a light right here and in here. If this color is red, so in here will be red, and if this blue, it will blue, and the same with the other color. Okay. Let's take a look now with the rider pass and the card. So the rider pass is pretty cool, nice. I really love this part with the black and nice at the back. We can see Den-O logo, and here is just a clear plastic with the inside Den-O again. We can open this part just like this, and now you can see the Den-O logo. It's just a clear part that used to insert this card. It doesn't really use this part actually, but yeah, just let's insert this, slide that from here, and just like that. And then we got the rider pass. And let's take a look at how it's Den-O transform itself with the electronic and the sounds we got. Right, this. So turn this on in the up. There's half a switch. Okay, pretty nice, huh? So after I press a 1 by 1 this button and I slide this and a full charge, something like that. So just keep quiet and listen to the sounds that this thing make. Full charge. Sorry. So just much like that, how it's play, and this card is actually doesn't really work use cause this Den-O driver just use a magnet inside here that will scan up right there. This doesn't got anything. I already tried with the magnet and it worked pretty well. Actually, this thing can open the template and just play it. And here's the template. Actually, that's got a push button right inside this, a real little push button, and that will make a climax form. But climax form sound is from the DX Keitaros, and if we press this and then press its button and scan with this, it will say scan and up or charge and up. I forget, but yeah, just like that. So this thing works pretty cool. I really love how it looks, but this card is just no need really much to do with this card, cause this is just a simple card and doesn't really use. To show you, I will show you why that card's not really work. Let's take this off card. This card is just a simple card that, yeah, this is just a blank card which is got in this Diano driver. But I will bring you the card that comes with the Denliner Reiko right here with Imagine right there. This is the Kintaros Imagine. Let's try this. I never tried it before, but let's try now. But yeah, I think it works. And let's take a look at the back. The back we already see it doesn't work, cause not really the same, but I don't know why the back is using just like this. But this electronics doesn't really use for the belt. Yeah, so this part will be just used in here. Now we got this, and maybe the short form first. Nothing much the same. Actually, for the Kintaros, it's almost the same. Not really works good. So this card is just kind of pointless to use. That's why I don't buy the DX Den-O Super Bass, cause that's just a useless things that we pay more and just got more cards like Momotaros, Urataros, Kintaros, and Ryutaros, but doesn't really work in the belt. So that's just kind of pointless. But actually, this belt looks pretty well, nice, damn cool looking guy. You must have this. I'm not really disappointed to have these toys. I really love this belt much than other belt, but really my favorite is Double and Forze. But still, this cool things is you must have that. So stay tuned for other DX. I think I really love DX. So stay tuned. Shooter Hidari right here. Shine out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos. Thank you for watching my video. Sorry for bad English, cause I'm Indonesia actually. I come from Indonesia, and not much like that. So thank you. Bye bye.